Welcome to Top Tropicals. My name's Dave, and today we're going to talk about the yellow dragon fruit. The yellow dragon fruit is the sweetest out of all dragon fruits. It's way better than the ones that you'll find in the store or any of the red varieties. In my opinion, it is just the best. Now, it is in the cactus family, so it's not going to like wet feet. You're going to want to get a good cactus mix or something well draining by putting some perlite or vermiculite in the mix. Now, it will take 2 to 3 years to fruit, but once it does start its fruiting cycle, it can get up to 6 different fruiting cycles in a year, so you won't be stuck to just one season of fruit, which is a really benefit of growing this. Not only that, this little cactus, once it's full grown, can last up to 20 years for you. So that's really, really great. Now, the flowers, they only open up at nighttime, so you're going to have to hand pollinate them. Now, to do that, you can get a toothbrush or a paintbrush or a Q-tip, and you're going to want to push the male part of the pollen that's sticking out more down into the female part. And the way that this is usually done in nature is actually through bats. Bats actually pollinate them. So there's not usually bats in the area most of the time. So to make sure that you get fruit, you're going to have to hand pollinate it, and it only opens at one night. So you definitely want to be paying attention to your plant and noticing when the flower will be open. Now, we have these for sale here at Top Tropicals. You can go online to toptropicals.com and actually get one ordered straight to your door, or you can come to our local Fort Myers location and pick one up in person.